Poppy cake, create, craft and make. Paper jewellery and challenges to break. Poppy cake, create, craft and make. Poppy cake, subscribe, like, comment and share.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a very special video for you. Today I have been gifted with some amazing sun catchers from HowgillCrafts on Etsy, and this video is just going to show you a few of the examples that you, yes you, can make. I'm going to show you all of the sun catchers that I've got, and when you purchase these sun catchers you are going to get a step-by-step guide, video guide by myself of how to create and assemble these beautiful sun catchers. The crystals are such good quality. The lady in the shop, Christine, is absolutely amazing. Her attention to detail on the box and everything is absolutely immense. The quality of the crystals is phenomenal, and the ideas that this lady has is absolutely amazing. So as I say, I have been kindly gifted these beautiful sun catchers. Obviously you don't have to use them to make sun catchers, but they are beautiful as sun catchers. You could use them to create dangles for your junk journals or just as home decor. I will put all of the links to everything in the description box, the links to the shop and the links to some of the kits. Some of the kits haven't been released yet, so you are getting a sneak peek. So why not pop on over to HowgillCrafts over on Etsy. As I say, the links will be in the description box below. Have a perusal and see what beautiful things there are in this amazing shop. There are some really unique designs. So why not pop on over and have a look at HowgillCrafts. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting a small business. It's very important. We've got Christmas coming up very soon, and these are the sort of makes that are going to be a gift giver all year round. Thank you so much and have a great day.